Hi everybody, welcome back to Channeling Luxury. This may be one of my favorite Hermes unboxings ever, and it is not what you think, so check this out. Do you like my beautiful crocodile Birkin? Now check this out. So I have to tell you about these guys. I'm going to show you 3 different pieces, and I'll tell you a little bit about their story from what I've learned. I actually found them when I was looking for bag charms because I got tired of the Pegasus and the usual Hermes pieces. And I really wanted something in croc, particularly black, hot pink, something fuchsia. And I wanted something very high quality. And I found this company, Petite Leather Studios. And I reached out to them, and they actually had seen our channel before. And they offered to send 3 pieces of their choosing, not of mine, for me to take a look at, and if I thought it was useful to share with all of you, to do so. This is not a compensated video, so I want you to know that. I'm not being paid for this video. If you choose to buy any of the pieces, if you use the link in the description, I do get a small affiliate referral, so full disclosure, but you also save percentage off as well. So that said, let me show you. This is a mother-daughter team. And I have a smile on my face because this is, to me, the amount of detail that goes into something like this. I'm not an artistic person. I teach statistics. So it's really incredibly difficult for me to even imagine making something like this. I'm going to show you a couple of others. This mother-daughter duo that owns this small business, they have a love for Hermes and got a little bit tired of the same old small leather goods and charms that they could purchase and so on. And wanted to make something unique, but they went through so many iterations, 10 plus iterations of each one over multiple months to get the perfect micro version. This reminds me of when I used to make models as a child where we wanted everything to scale. These are to scale. The hardware, the compartments, it's the same piece of crocodile. This is multiple pieces of croc for this one piece. Multiple pieces because they want the belly of the crocodile, exactly like Hermes and the other high-end luxury designers do to make their pieces. Which for me, given how tiny it is, like I have a size, oh, I don't know, extra small hand. Okay, I wear a size 3.5 ring. This is how small it is. I would say this is not even 2 inches wide and an inch or long and an inch wide. And the detail, including where it folds, is done on purpose. So they actually recreated the same leather, the same structure, the same stitching, the same pattern, whether they were making a cellier, a retourné, whatever they're making, that is what you're looking for. And you're gonna see some here, a couple of other ones here that they blew me away, honestly. As you know, if you watch my channel, I would not create a video for a company that I didn't think was offering something super cool. So I think these are more than just bag charms. To me, they're almost like, if you love fashion, they're almost collectibles. And I actually looked for my AirPods. I can't find them at all, any of them. These fit AirPods. So if you wanted to attach your AirPods to the outside of your bag, you could use this to do it. This micro croc Birkin took 25 hours to make, to custom make. So I'm going to show you some of the detail here. You notice something? It has its own Pegasus charm. It has the same, the hardware is sourced from a company to identically match, as obviously as much as possible, the Hermes piece. And check this out. I sell little Birkin feet. You can check it out in my community section. I want to make feet for this little guy. That would be so cool and lame, probably a waste of my time. But check this out. So, you know, on our Birkins, right, we have the little slot that our leather piece goes in. It's the same here. Like they actually copied in a good way, not in a knockoff way. I would never support fakes and so on, as all of you know. But you can open this bag, this charm. I'm gonna take this attachment off just for a minute to show you. And inside, I'm trying to be really careful with it because it's just so exquisite. I don't want to do anything. It's incredibly well made, and they copy the number of stitches that would be required along the sides. I mean, just the detail is it's just crazy to me. My daughter would understand how to do something like this because she's more artistic, but for me, I'm like mind blown. So there was stuffing inside. I left it that way on purpose. I didn't want to touch these other than looking at them, peeking in the box until I did this unboxing, but it has the same compartment that you would find in your Birkin. The amount of attention to detail, look at the hand craftsmanship on the stitching. So if you are looking for bag charms to go on your bag, or just collectibles, or an AirPod case, or something for a gift, I think these are awesome. And I haven't been excited about like a little accessory, maybe since I started this channel last year, but this is just, to me, incredible. And the little Pegasus that matches. Their charms are hand stitched between 5 and 25 hours each. You can read more about them on their website at Petite Luxury Studios, and you can actually select what it is that you would want. So if you're looking for something to offset or go well with your bag, you can do that. So let me show you a couple of others that were sent. So this, as a handbag, I don't like this bag, I'll be honest, like from the Hermes store. I never really understood this bag, to be completely honest with you. This is a mini Kelly doll bag charm. Okay, so you see how tiny this is? That took 5 hours to create. And this, by the way, if you feel this, it doesn't feel like a piece of cheap anything. Like, it feels like genuinely like the real bag. And they're using the same leather. So take a look at this. This one's in cream and orange, and you can see the amount of detail here. And also, this mini Kelly, this micro mini Kelly opens up like our actual mini Kellys. When I'm fortunate enough to have one day, I will put this little guy on, and it's so freaking cool. And you can also get a crossbody strap for these. This one's not gonna hold your AirPods, obviously, but the other ones will. You can get a crossbody strap to wear for your AirPod holder if you don't wanna put it on your bag. And then let me show you the last one. This one's a garden party E-tube color. I have E-tube, okay? I just checked it out. It's the same color. There's no difference in color. This seriously does blow my mind. Check this out. This will hold your AirPods also. And just like our actual product, our actual bags, it looks the same. It even down to where is the leather versus where is the fabric. And guess what? The fabric pretty much exactly matches my garden party. So the one that I have in YouTube. I've never seen anything like this before. I hope that they do really well. I love supporting other small business owners, and I hope that you'll check them out. And I will do a shorter video on each one of these on my bag so you can see. So garden party, my little Birkin is open, which is how I actually do carry it. Birkin in true croc, exactly like they use. And the mini, you can see how much smaller this is, the mini Kelly, the dolly. And yeah, I just wanted to show you because I was really incredibly blown away. And it takes, honestly, it takes a lot. Many of us buy different products from different companies, and you know, they're okay. These are phenomenal. So I would recommend that you check it out if you are interested in charms for your bag that are super unique. I hope you found this helpful. Again, if you check out the comments, you will find a link that will save you money, but I do get a small commission, but I was not paid for this review. And if you know me, if you watch my videos, you know I will be 100% honest, regardless of where and how and what the company is. Small, medium, large, does not matter. If you don't believe me, check out my other videos where I slam a lot of different pieces from different high-end luxury designers. So with that said, I will sign off for now. I hope you're having a wonderful day or night wherever you are. I want to thank Petite Leather Studios for allowing me the opportunity to look at these pieces. I will be your customer, and I will be placing my own order and actually adding these to my bags because they're so freaking cute. And they're incredibly well made. And I'm honestly, I have a couple of messages from the owners of the company, and I'm so impressed with their enthusiasm and their love for their craft and understanding what matters to us as consumers and just the passion that goes into their work. They're the real deal, and you can tell, right? We all know when they're that person. They are those people. So recommend supporting them. At the very least, take a look. And thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.